Hello everyone, welcome to Ina's TV. Today we'll be making salad. Okay, these are the ingredients. First, I have here diced apple. Okay. And then this is avocado. Yan my favorite, avocado. Then onion. Okay. Half of this onion. And then I will also add here just a bit of, tuna. Okay, this is tuna. Okay, that's enough. And then I will add here a bit of salt, just a bit of salt, because the tuna is already salty. Alright, after putting that, I will add here olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, like that. Okay, then we also add here lemon. Okay, just a bit of lemon, like that. That's enough. And then pepper. Okay, and put a bit of ground black pepper. Okay, that's enough. So here comes our salad, tuna avocado salad. Okay, this one is my breakfast. Okay, let's eat. Bye. See you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Ina's TV. See you next time. Bye-bye.